Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to display icon mic on the keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know what the function of the mic icon on the keyboard is, so actually the function of the mic from the keyboard icon is for the dictation feature. So we can type using only voice command guys. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first now you can show your own keyboard like this. And then after that, now you can click on the settings menu, and then now you can click voice typing, and then now you can activate voice typing feature, and then as we see together there will be mic icon on the keyboard, and then now you can use it for dictation feature. And so yeah, here I type using only voice command. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. See you on next video.